the SIMREX X300C mini drone. Let's check it out. Okay, here we go. Here's the SIMREX X300C drone. I'm going to do a little unboxing here. 2.4 gigahertz, 6-axis gyro. Made in China. Okay, let's see what's inside. Okay, we've got a little foam packaging here. Set that aside. Looks like we got some little blade protectors. Got 4 of those. Got a charging cable. Some extra blades. We've got the mini drone. Okay, it's really tiny. Okay, and we've got what looks like what appears to be a controller. Okay. Now we've got an instruction booklet. Okay, well, I think the first thing that needs to be done is the drone needs to be charged along with the controller. So let's do that, and then I'll get back. Okay, it is working. I don't know if we can pick up anything in the dark. We're walking through the hallway in high school over to the mini gym to fly the, where's the little box? What the heck is this thing? It's upside down. The SIMREX X300, the SUX 2000. We're gonna fly the SUX 2000 in the mini gym. Okay, I don't know if you can see me. It's dark in here. Okay, we're walking through the hallway. There's somebody in here. Probably get over there and there'll be people in there playing basketball. Okay, we're going over the mini gym to fly the mini.
Could you fly it in the auditorium?
No, there's too much stuff around in there and chairs and things because it doesn't really respond very well. So it'll crash when it comes down. It just kind of drops out of the sky when you land it. Phew, I'm already exhausted. It's quite of a sprint over here. Okay, we're going down this hallway. We're going over there.
There's somebody in the gym.
How do you know? Do you hear them?
No, I saw them.
Oh, dadgummit. I knew that was going to happen. I was going to use profanity, but I better not. Let me see how many people are in here. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to scare you. How many people are in here? There's not very many people in here.
No, we're just doing some training.
Do you mind if I fly a mini drone in here?
As a matter of fact, I got one better for you.
You got another gym?
Yeah, the whole other gym.
I came over here earlier and there wasn't anybody here. Oh wow.
Did they change the electrical room? Oh no, they didn't.
Do you mind if I put you in my video?
Well.
I can cut you out if you want.
Oh, they locked
I'm a
it?
teacher at the high school.
Okay. Me too. Well, I'm not a teacher, but I work here.
Cool. We got light.
Oh, there's some lights.
That's all I need is just that little space right there. That'll
Does
work.
it take them a while?
Oh, yeah,
to
there we
heat
go.
up?
No, I just had to do the right breakers.
Awesome. Thank you. I'm doing a little like mini review on this little mini drone.
Cool.
Yeah, so I don't want to fly it outside because it's so tiny. The wind will just like,
Well, and
it'll just carry it away.
If you like it and it works for you, Tuesday, I'm sure we would love to let you come to our basketball game.
Oh,
and-
okay,
and
cool.
shoot some
Well, I've got a
Drone.
better drone than this one. This one's just my little
But can we
toy.
fly the drone around kids?
Yeah, well, I'll work my way around those details. After we're done, I'll get your contact information.
Yeah.
We have a game against PC West
Sure.
on Tuesday at
Yeah.
6 and 7, 6 for the girls, 7 for the
Okay.
boys, 7:30 for the boys varsity. I think it'd be pretty cool. Might
That
be
would
some
be
think
cool.
it would
good
be
Yeah,
shots.
cool
it'd be
too.
awesome.
We've
I
just
tried to
been
fly it
afraid.
one time at the football stadium, and Fitz shut me down and said I couldn't fly it.
We thought
Dude.
maybe it was.
I don't know
because of the
why, though.
kids.
We'll figure it out. I'll
Okay.
work it out.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
See you later.
Sometimes, you know, in life it's better to ask for it.
Yeah. Well, that's what. Yeah. Okay. All right.
I can't get it to turn on, my dear.
That's okay. It's still going.
I need to see though what I'm
Yeah, but
doing.
it may not. It may not come on. The screen may not come back on again. That's what I was telling you. That the screen doesn't work. The screen doesn't come back on. I know it's recording because it's still.
Yes, but how will I find something as small as a drone?
Oh no! Don't worry about it. Just focus it on me.
Okay.
Just point it. Just point it. Just point it at whatever. Okay. And don't step on it because it's so tiny. Video. Take it out. It's not connected. Oh, now it is. Now it's doing something. Okay. So now it's doing something. So let's see if I can get it to take off. Don't step on my phone. I'm just going to leave my phone on the floor here. 1 second. See, I can't see what it's recording though. I need it recording. Oh, there it is. Okay, recording. Oh, keep it like that. Trying to get it. It's supposed to be able to fine tune it.